Let's open this for first project, new project, Java, and the name and location would be hello. Let's see, hello world. Okay, package name is hello world. Public class name is hello world, but it is capital with the name. Package name hello world. It is both small, hello small, w small. Public, anyone can access. Static, it is fixed, and main string newsletters. So we have to do is now change. For this, we can do system dot out. System will print out. So we have to print the screen. Print. So print this hello out. So what's the mistake? The mistake is that inside the bracket there should be this and this. So now it's okay. So if we run this, we get hello world like this. So was this build successful to the rank here instead of down? Because print prints hello world on the same line. So if we use print line, this breaks the line. It is hello world just like this.